how to fix this error in Valorant, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here task manager, and now scroll down and make sure to close all the applications that is related to Valorant, like Vanguard or something like that. And as you see, there is no application here related to Valorant. Now just close it, go to services, click on it, and then scroll down, right click on VGC, go to properties, make it automatic, apply and OK. And after that, restart your PC. And now after restarting your PC, don't forget to do that, right click on Valorant properties, and then go to compatibility, and then click change settings for all users, and make sure to enable those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and apply and OK. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.